My mom deadass came, took photos of me saying that she wants photos with the clown. And honestly, I am one. Wait, that seems tough. Am I reading properly? Hey, hello, hi, welcome. Why did I say it like that? Oh my gosh, that was weird. Let me retry that. Action. Hey, hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we have an interesting video. This video can either go really well or really poorly. We're hoping that it goes really well, but it involves my hair, so you never know. My hair is very problematic. It's very difficult. So I was kindly sent some curl formers from Hair Flare, and I received 2 different sizes. I'm only gonna be using one in this video. This is where I messed up. I should have used both the kits, not just one, because one is not enough for my big, thick head. So, yeah, if you have hair like mine, then use both kits, because this is where I messed up, and you shall see further in this video how bad it is. So if you want to see me test this out on my hair, then stay tuned. But before we begin, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please like this video and comment anything down below, even if it's random stuff, even if it's just random emojis. It helps with my engagement. So if you just flood that comment section, that would be amazing. And subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload. My socials will be linked down below. Our Instagram, main Instagram, and also my TikTok. Without further ado, let's just get right into this video. So this is part of the Nicolina. Look, I'm so sorry if I'm butchering that. So the barrel and spiral curl formers come in that set. They have different sets if you want to achieve looser curls, tighter curls. I was also sent a soft hooded dryer just to speed up the drying time. You can like air dry them, but I'm impatient. So if you're like me and you're impatient, get yourself a hooded dryer. Okay, so you have to start off with freshly washed wet hair. So I'm gonna go off camera and wash my hair, and I will be right back.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that? Ah, what the fuck?
Okay, so I'm back from washing my hair. I'm looking like a hot mess, and I'm doing a voiceover because my family's being too loud, okay? So this is how my hair is looking. I am parting my hair in half. Look at my tender-headed self. Try to part my tangled ass hair. But yeah, I just parted it in half, and wow, I'm really struggling there. But yeah, I just part in half, put the top part in a bun to keep it out of the way, and look at that hair length. Shrinkage is a bitch, okay? So I just took a spray bottle to dampen my hair so that the products can go in better and it's easier to detangle. And I also received samples of Hair Flare's products. So I used their Replenish Serum, their Define Cream, and their Hold Gel. Right now I'm just sandwiching my hair through my hands so that the product is evenly distributed through all strands. No strand gets left behind. Now I'm using my Easy Detangler brush just to really get all them knots out of my hair, okay? We want smooth curls, so we gotta comb out all of them nitty-gritty knots. So now to apply the curl former, I have the curl former form and then the stick thingy that you push through the curl former. So how you push it through, it's actually pretty easy. You just squeeze the opening a bit, slide the curl former stick through the former, and boom, there you go. And make sure that the hook is facing upwards, and all you gotta do is hook the hook onto your section of hair, and then you just pull the stick through and it will glide your hair through the former. Let me tell you, you gotta make sure that the hook is facing upwards or else it will snag on your hair and it will hurt. But once the former is in, it actually feels very secured. Also, the pink curlers in the kit go counterclockwise and the yellow goes clockwise. All curls go in different directions, so that was useful. Okay, so I finished putting the curl formers in my hair. This took me way longer than it should have. I feel like Patrick's Rock would be faster than me at doing this. Okay, so now I'm going to dry this and I'm going to use the soft hooded dryer. Oh, it comes in a cute little bag. That's adorable. Let me see how she has in the, okay, she has it behind her. Wow, I'm morphing from Bobo the clown to Barney the dinosaur. Oh my gosh, how am I supposed to do this? It's like engulfed in my face right now. What is this? It's a chin strap. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. I think. Oh, it just looks like a bonnet from the front. Then you turn to the side. Let's attach our blow dryer. You have to put it on cool. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. Let me turn off for a second. I actually quite like that. I haven't had a hooded dryer in a long time. So this is giving me major nostalgia. Anywho, I'm gonna do this for about 30 minutes and I will be right back.
2 hours later.
Hi, I'm back 2 hours later. And you must be wondering why 2 hours later when the box only said 10 to 20 minutes. You see, I figured since I had thick hair, I might as well like blow dry it a bit longer. I was aiming for like an hour or so, and then an hour turned into an hour and a half because I just got lost in YouTube videos, watching X Factor's performance compilations, and then I did my makeup because I figured if the curls do end up turning out bad, that my makeup would sort of help with the look. Okay, I am ready to take these out. I am slightly scared, but let's do this. Okay, let's start with the first one. I don't know how, wait, let me read the instructions to make sure that I'm doing this properly. Wait. Okay, so you just squeeze open the top end and then you're just supposed to, wait, that seems tough. Am I reading properly? So you unravel it slightly. Makes sense. Squeeze open the top. I was not expecting the curl to look that good. Like, obviously my root is a bit puffy, but like, look the end. Like, look at that definition. I think my hair is still damp. See, even after an hour and a half, my hair is still damp. Ooh, now I'm afraid to take out the rest. Oh, see, that curl didn't even work. I'm gonna reform the hair and go back underneath the hooded dryer just to save this look because, yeah, my root is still wet right there. Like that. Okay. I'm gonna go back underneath the soft hood dryer and I shall be back in, I don't know when. I'll just be back.
One eternity later.
Okay, so it's been about another 20, almost 30 minutes. So if these aren't dry by now, then I just give up. Oh.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
No. That right there. is what we wanted. The thing is, back here, I did the section smaller. And then when I started reaching the top, not gonna lie, I got a bit lazy and I did bigger sections. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is just small sections all over my head. And I'm going to have to use both the barrel and spiral kits to do my whole head, because the one kit ain't gonna cover my whole head. Y'all, why am I looking like a bootleg version of Shirley Temple right now? I'm really trying not to cry right now. You know how I feel right now? I feel like this is the same feeling I got when I was younger and I would be in the hair store with my mom, buying a box of relaxer and seeing the models on the relaxer having nice, straight, thick, full, beautiful hair. And I would go home, put the relaxer in my hair. End up with some stringy, thin, lifeless hair. So, this was a fail, but it's fine. We'll try again another day. You will see another video up in the near future titled Redemption. Just know it's going to be me redeeming myself from this. Please like this video. Please comment down below. And please subscribe and hit that bell notification so that I can feel better about myself. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.